Driving from Germany to Turkey. Helmut is a German citizen. He recently bought an apartment in Turkey and, of course, he has a Turkish residence permit based on property ownership. Business kept Helmut in his native Munich for half a year, where he, before returning to Turkey, got an idea. He decided to buy a car in Germany and use it to drive to the Republic of Turkey. Watch Helmut's story in this new video. Helmut's decision to go to Turkey by car was prompted by his German friend's offer to buy their 10-year-old, serviced, and well-maintained Mercedes-Benz B-Class on very favorable terms for Helmut. He clarified the information on importing vehicles into the territory of the Republic of Turkey and accepted his friend's offer. Here's what he found out. 1. The 185-day rule. Until the car enters the territory of Turkey, the owner, who has a Turkish residence permit, must have stayed in the territory of the Republic for not more than 185 days in the past year. If this period is exceeded, they must leave Turkey for 185 days, after which they can import a car from abroad. 2. The 730-day rule. After entering Turkey, a car can stay in the country for 730 days, 2 years. During this period, the owner may leave the country without the car. Bear in mind that the owner may leave Turkey with the imported car before the expiration of the allowed 2-year stay of the car, but they will not be able to bring the car back. The rest of the period is cancelled, and the countdown of the owner's 185 days outside Turkey starts again. So, since in Helmut's case the 185-day rule was observed, he was ready to hit the road. All he had to do was to load all his things, check if he has all the papers, fill up a full tank, and apply for Green Card car insurance. You can learn more about it on this website. The Green Card system currently includes 45 countries, all European countries, as well as Turkey, Russia, Israel, Morocco, Tunisia, and a number of other countries in Africa and Asia. An insurance premium is calculated monthly. It can go up or down, and it depends on the validity period of the certificate. Now it's time to decide on the route for the journey. The drive from the capital of Germany to Turkey usually goes through the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, Serbia, and Bulgaria. But Helmut did not plan to stop by Berlin and chose a different route. After leaving Munich, he had to cross the border into Austria at Salzburg. Drive through Slovenia, passing Kranj and Ljubljana. Drive around Croatia through Zagreb and Županja. Cross all of Serbia, seeing Belgrade along the way. Enter Bulgaria after Serbian Dimitrovgrad. And driving almost in a straight line, passing Sofia, finally get to Turkey along the E80 highway. Helmut's route across Europe, from Munich to the border with Turkey, was 1,650 kilometers. The friends whose car Helmut bought took good care of it, and it delivered our hero without incident to the border crossing point of Capicul, on the border of Bulgaria and Turkey. It's a round-the-clock point, and Helmut drove into Turkey without any problems, showing the following to the customs officers. Vehicle registration documents. Green Card insurance certificate. German driver's license. International passport. If a foreign car is imported by a foreigner who has a residence permit in Turkey, they don't have to pay any taxes or fees. However, after importing the car, it must be declared at customs. A customs declaration is submitted by the owner to the customs office in the city of residence. This service is also provided free of charge. Helmut's next destination was Mersin, and he decided to take the opportunity to visit the famous Cappadocia. You will learn more about the most famous sites of Turkey in our video titled Top 5 Places in Turkey That Are Worth Visiting. Helmut's route in Turkey was a little over 1,300 kilometers, from the customs point of Capicul through Cappadocia and to Mersin. And the whole journey, from Helmut's house in Munich to the guarded parking lot in the residential complex in Mersin, where Helmut bought an apartment, was exactly 3,000 kilometers. While submitting a customs declaration in Mersin, Helmut clarified a number of important points. When intending to temporarily leave the country, the owner must personally notify the Turkish customs authorities no later than 1 day before departure. They must inform the customs office of the exact address of the parking lot where the imported car will be located in their absence. No one, even the next of kin of the owner, can use the car at this time. If the owner ignores this rule, they'll have to pay a large fine, the amount of which depends on the car's brand and year of manufacture, and how long the owner will be outside Turkey. Finally, we will answer in advance a question that many of our viewers will surely have. What is the penalty for an owner who, after 2 years, does not leave Turkey with a temporarily imported car in time? In this case, the owner is heavily fined and the car can be confiscated. Bear in mind that a car temporarily imported into Turkey cannot be sold or rented out, and in any case it must leave the country in due time. Keep up with the latest news in Turkey on our Telegram channel. Turk Estate, make your dream to live by the sea come true.